cutest thing on the way here.
Really?
Tell me. Was it the cat in the uniform again? I saw the cutest puppy on the way to school. No way. Did you pet it? I wish I saw it. That's adorable. Look, there are 3 empty seats together. Perfect. Let's grab them. Yes, over there.
The quadratic formula is essential for solving these equations. Remember to apply the formula carefully. Any questions so far?
You all did so well on this test. I'm incredibly proud of everyone's hard work and improvement. Good job, Character A. Keep up the good work. Oh, wow. Thank you so much, teacher. Man, I studied so hard for this. I can't believe I failed. Congratulations!
Congratulations.
I didn't do well.
It's okay, we can study together.
Don't worry, you'll do great on the test. You've studied so hard. Thanks, I really needed to hear that. It's okay, you can do it. We're here for you. Yeah, you've got this. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye, Hannah. Let's get ice cream. Sounds good. See you. Hey, Character A. Hurry up. Coming. We're waiting. Just a second.
Okay, everyone smile. Ready? 3, 2, 1, snap!
Look at how it turned out. Oh, so good. Send it to me. Look at the lighthouse. This view is amazing. Let's race to the next curve.
No way, we're winning!
Ah, I love the ocean breeze. I want to be an artist. I'll travel the world. I'll own my own cafe. I'm gonna be a musician.
Yeah, we can do it.
This is so good. I know, right? It's the best.
Now, let's solve this final problem together.
Sir, can you explain the last step again?
Of course.
This is so good. I know, right? It's freezing out here, but this makes it perfect. You see? This part here?
Ah, I get it now. What about this?
Yes, that's it. I understand this concept now.
Good. Let's finish this page together.
Try great now. Thank you so much. We're almost done. Let's keep going. I needed this. Me too. That test was crazy. At least the ramen is warm. Hi, Mom, Dad.
It's so good to see you both.
Here's some fruit. Thank you, Mom. Keep up the good work. You got this, honey. We're so proud of you.
Good luck on your exam, honey. I'll do my best.
Thank you, everyone. You got this! Yay! Yay! Thank you, guys! Thank you, guys! You can do it! We believe in you! Let's go! Good morning, girls. Morning, Hannah. Hi there. You have 5 minutes remaining. No talking. Teacher, can I have an extra sheet?
No,
Finish with what you have. The snow is beautiful today.
it really is. Let's sit for a bit.
See you guys later. Bye. See you inside. Look at the flowers.
They're so pretty. Smile for the picture.
Okay. Look at this. Oh my god. It's loading. Oh, please. We passed. We actually passed. I can't believe it. Look who's here. Hey, you made it.
We thought you were late.
Good morning. We did it! Congratulations, everyone! Let's make more memories! We did it! Yes! I'm gonna miss you guys.
Congratulations on graduating, Character A. This is for you.
Oh, thank you so much, Character B. This is wonderful.
Congratulations.
Oh my gosh! I love you!